Hi, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today you will learn how to rename a group of files in Windows Explorer. So let's say you have all these files and you want to rename a group of them. So let's say these five first images are your trip to Mars, and these will be your trip to the moon. But they're only identified with numbers. So the easy way to do this is you select the group you want to rename, press F2 to rename, or right click and you rename. But you want to start with the first file, otherwise it's going to be messed up. See, the order is incorrect. So what you want to do is always select all the files and make sure the rename happens on the first file. Select the file and then you drag select. Or just click the last one, go to the front, and that's it. And that's it. And then a trip to the moon. There you go. That's how you can rename a group of files very easily. And now for an actual use of this. Here's a screen capture folder that I use. And let's say that these are for a video game or whatever application or screen capture that you want. So you might want to rename them to something else that makes more sense. So let's say software A capture. And there you go. Now your files are renamed very easily and quickly. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked this tutorial. And if you have questions or want to share feedback, please leave a comment. And if you liked my wallpaper, well, you can find it on my DeviantArt in the description. As always, take care, and I'll see you soon.